Hello everyone, we are Team ATX. I am Radha, handling full stack and agentic AI, while Mehak focuses on backend, RAG pipelines and agentic orchestration. We have developed AI Research Assistant. Our vision with this platform was to solve a critical problem in the AI fintech space: hallucinations and illegal financial advice. Most financial AI chatbots act as a know-it-alls, often crosses the line into giving unauthorized investments, which is massive regulatory risk, while giving personalized advice based on the user's portfolio. Our platform is SEBI compliant, highly constrained AI research assistant. It doesn't tell you what to buy, it securely analyzes live market data, cross references your actual portfolio, it and provides strictly grounded, verifiable research with exact citations. Now we'll jump to the system architecture. This is our system's whole architecture. In the front end part, we have used React plus Vite. In the back end, we have used Fast API plus UVCon. We have developed 4 parts of our system like stock research assistant, general research assistant, portfolio page, and advanced generative UI. In the backend, we have compliance layer, RAG engine, portfolio engine, general agent, thesis set, etc. For the storage part, we have used ChromaDB vector store, curated markdown docs, and we have used 3 APIs here. First one is Google Gemini 2.5 Flash, Yahoo Finance Y Finance, and Thesis C1. Now we'll be jumping to the demo part. In the demo, this is basically the UI homepage. First, here is the research assistant for the specific stocks picked by the user from his portfolio, where he can get personalized suggestion based on his portfolio record. We can hit any query, any stock, and this will generate a relevant answer to the hitted stock. We can jump to any one of them. These are basically the stocks we have logged into the portfolio. This provides the general personalized stock result query results. In the general research, we can hit query for any of the stocks out there. For example, if we ask this, compare AMD versus Nvidia from last 7 days using statistics and graphs. What this does in the backend, we are here live ingesting our query. Live ingestion is basically we intercept the query if the ticker data is stale or missing, or backend halts, make a live call to Yahoo Finance, builds comprehensive markdown reports, embeds them using Gemini, and upserts them to the ChromaDB. This means our DB updates dynamically on every user query. It means this will not just answers on the past data, it will updates its record in each query, after each query. After this retrieval, we perform a similar search to fetch the top 20 relevant chunks. Then Gemini generates a responsive using only the provided context. Then the strict guardrail. This is important. Before the user sees the final output, our guardrail system kicks in. It uses regex and logical checks to intercept unauthorized advice like buy, sell, or hold. After all these checking, the streaming data, the validated data will be streamed to us on the front end. This is basically this compares the AMD versus Nvidia stocks. Now when we jump to the my portfolio part, it records all the stock data which we bought or sell. We can customize it, delete it, we can add any of the trade we did. After this, if I introduce advanced generative UI, this helps us visualize and compare different stocks. Let's say if we compare Swiggy and Eternal. Eternal is basically a ticker name updated by Zomato, recently updated. Compare Swiggy and Eternal stocks for last 5 days. using graphs. This will give the graph and compare the Swiggy and Eternal stock. Meanwhile the answer is generating. Let me just give you a quick look to the agent. We have used 4 tools here: get stock price, get historical stock price, get balance sheet, and the get stock news. These are the 4 tools integrated in the agent, which did their work at the back end part. Why we have used RAG over here is because we can't compromise on the cost, latency, accuracy, and hallucination. In this large data, stuffing 10 years of marking data and news into a prompt takes forever to process and cost a fortune, maybe. Large context windows suffer from lost in the middle phenomenon. RAG ensures the LLM only looks at precisely what is relevant to the question, ensuring deterministic, verifiable answer. Okay, so now our answer is generated. It basically compares the Swiggy and Eternal stocks. This is the graph that compares both the stocks, and this is the data information about these stocks. If we hit this query, also fetch the balance sheet for interview. This will take some time. Okay, this is the system bug. Let me just retry again. It is taking some time. So meanwhile we'll jump to the future scope part. In the future scopes we'll be, let me show you the, let me just meanwhile I'll just discuss the future scopes. In future scopes we'll be adding certain patterns like island reversal, kicker patterns that helps investor to predict the future stock changes. Okay, so I have just shown you. Okay, so yeah, result is generated. Let me just hit the query again. This basically compares both of them. This is all from our end. Thank you so much.